we got a new arrival that just came in, 2017 911 Turbo S, convertible, black with red inside. Super nice car, really cool spec, only 8,000 miles, so crazy low miles. Pulled it over in the shade so we can get a little bit better look at it. Really nice spec. We're definitely going to do gloss black emblems in the rear, and we're going to do gloss black wheels, and we're going to do clear side markers just to tie the look in. We're going to go pick up the side markers and the emblems right now over at Porsche, and then we'll have the wheels done probably in the next 2 or 3 days, and then she'll be ready to go up for sale. This car's in immaculate shape. I mean, 8,000 miles on a 2017. It's about as new as it gets. Full Bordeaux with black, full leather interior, carbon fiber, contrast stitch, red sport chrono dial. There's your front lift, carbon wheel. Now the 991 Turbo S's didn't come with a sport exhaust option like on a 992 now does. So this has a just subtle X-pipe type exhaust. I believe it's a Sharkworks that's on it. So just to give you a nice little sound. I'll go to the back to see if you can hear it idling. Do have the factory exhaust as well. Nothing else has been done in this car. No tune. You know, the cats are still on it. There's no further exhaust work. It's literally just for some more sound. And like I said, we have the factory exhaust, so if you want it nice and quiet, we can put that back on. But I think this car needs a little something, not having the sport exhaust option back then. It just gives it a nice little increase in tone. Carbon sills. This car's not even detailed yet and it looks brand new. Full PPF on the front nose. Alright, so stay tuned. This one should be up live on our site probably within the next 2 to 3 days after those wheels are finished up.